Welcome to this chapter. So a huge use for ChatGPT is the ability to quickly summarize information. So let's dive right in. Summarizing dense text. So we're going to use an example of an article about rocket science and show you how you can summarize a big piece of information into, you can paraphrase it, you can summarize it into bullet points, you can extract keywords, you can simplify it, you can make it easier to see visually, find comparisons, highlight important parts, and so much more. So let's jump right into ChatGPT. Here, I've already copied this article, so we can just paste it in here, and we're going to say, summarize the following article. So here we can see this article is pretty long, and ChatGPT is giving us an easier to understand, quicker summary version of it. Now, summarize the original article into a list of 10 bullet points. For me personally, this is way easier to digest than this long article about rocket science, which I know literally nothing about. Please give me a list of 10 keywords from the original text. Here we see ChatGPT gave us some keywords. Now we can ask, please give me a list of important dates and people from the original text. You can see here it broke down into 2 most important people and 3 important dates. Now we're going to ask ChatGPT to simplify the original text. We can see that ChatGPT now has broken down our pretty long and pretty jargony article into a much easier to understand text. Now we can ask ChatGPT to compare the original article to something that maybe makes a little bit more sense to us so we can find some helpful analogies. ChatGPT is starting to compare building a rocket to baking a cake. Neither of those I know how to do, but I'm much more likely to bake a cake than I am to build a rocket. And here we can see ChatGPT did a pretty concise version of how to build a rocket. You can also ask ChatGPT to provide you context for what you're learning. So please give me some historical context that led to the invention of rocket science. You can see that we can ask ChatGPT to give us context so we can better understand what we're trying to learn. And here you can see the context has been provided. ChatGPT is telling us what we need to know that led to the development of rocket science. And just to show you all that you can really do with ChatGPT, you can ask ChatGPT to give you a summary in the form of a stand-up routine. So here we go. Hey guys, you know what's really cool? Rocket science. And ChatGPT is going off trying to present this information in the form of a stand-up routine. So that's just to show you an example of how customizable you can get this information. You can have ChatGPT summarize, paraphrase, give you bullet points, give you context, maybe some visual representation. You can have ChatGPT give you the information in the form of a stand-up routine. You can do so much, and this is just the tip of the iceberg, and the only limitation is your imagination.